Hello again, Mary Regan with Wayside Kitchens. And this afternoon, in Littleton, Massachusetts, where we are doing a kitchen renovation. And this afternoon, I'm here to review the cabinet install with the installer. So why don't we go in and take a look at what is happening this week, which is cabinet installation all week. Come along with me. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me. Right? Like at least. And look at you. You keep all the plastic wrap, just in case. Yeah, it's protecting the cabinets. I got it. Yeah. Although,
we're not here, plumbers can come, electricians, obviously
hey, what are you?
Well, no, I mean, everybody be working around it,
Yeah, I know. I'm teasing you though. Electricians, plumbers,
Yeah, you gotta blame it on them, right?
say the carpenters.
I did want to show you something, not a huge deal. Right down here.
Yep.
Yeah, box it and that's right there. But
did you find the little
I
touch-up
haven't.
kit?
No.
So they usually drop it in
One of the
in the
drawers or
sink
something?
base,
Okay. Oh, okay. So then
or
maybe.
with trim, with a
Okay, that might be
trim.
this.
Yeah.
Or
So something like that, I think, with the little touch-up kit that comes with it.
a little bit of the wax just to fill in whatever that
Yeah,
is, and then paint right over it.
yeah.
Should paint
Or
right over it,
like a
depending on
little. I order a little like a touch-up bottle, and it's like a
okay.
nail polish
Yep.
little thing.
Perfect. That'd be perfect.
Try it.
Yeah. And it's
Yeah.
on the bottom.
Yeah.
The little things, right?
Yeah, it's just what you got to do with the cabinets anyway. So oh, this is great. I love this color. So this is like almost black.
Instantly loved it.
hmm
Yeah. Yeah, it's almost black, but like a greenish, almost like it seems to me.
It's yeah, it's called iron ore. So it's a really pretty,
Yeah, iron ore.
very elegant color. So we'll see. Yeah, so these should all work out. I finished the sides because you're putting a panel on the side, and sometimes you can see through because they're like inset panels. So
Okay.
the little reveal on the door. So I had them painted so you hopefully. So these go back here. I know. I remember these.
Yeah, we got two of them.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. She told me, she goes, "What am I going to do with all these cabinets?"
It's awesome though. I mean,
No,
they have
she.
the room, and especially here, I'm like,
This
man,
is
I put
this
so much
is
stuff in those. Out of
yeah.
sight, out of mind, right?
Yeah. Well, and it's supposed to be like their china and like a bar kind of thing. So they can have their drinks over here. They had a little freestanding one. I'm like, oh no, those are not good for drinks.
No, you need structure, right?
You need attached cabinets
right,
to that for that. Yeah. So, but this is looking good, guys.
Thank you.
Um, the electrician I think is coming tomorrow
Okay.
to move that outlet.
Okay, yeah,
That was
and you can see what we did. We bumped that, so it's basically two separate walls.
yes, and that's
And
what I was
that's what we're gonna
envisioning.
work on.
Mm-hmm.
Most likely tomorrow, maybe. Or Friday.
Okay. Okay.
And I believe we're planning on working Saturday also,
Okay. That'll be good.
just to keep it going.
Yeah. Thank you. We appreciate that. It's like,
Well,
I mean,
it's Friday, so
I don't demand it, but if it helps, like, well, these are nice, um, good old Shiloh cabinets. I have do this. And so here we are. The island is all in, which is wonderful. Looks good. We have the oven cabinet space for the refrigerator. All of this. These cabinets are in the back of the island. Very nice. The doors go on later, so don't worry, there are doors for those. And then how about this? Mike has been busy putting these together. And this is in the dining room. And this is going to be the amazing wall of cabinets right here. Storage galore, right, Mike?
Storage galore, absolutely.
That's for sure. This is, I guess you're going to be able to store anything in here. Dishes, fun beverages, alcohol.
China, anything.
Yeah, it could be a coffee bar or a bar
Right,
for sure.
exactly.
Yeah. So this is going to be amazing, and the iron ore color looks fantastic. So this is going to be very, very sharp. And taking out that wall was well worth all the trouble. So, and now we see Mike putting those cabinets together. The guy knows his stuff. No pressure, Mike.
No pressure, yeah.
Yeah. I'm only. So, Mike, one time I'm in Boston with this gentleman who was like a high powered professional in banking or investments.
Okay.
And I'm helping Jim. And the guy is, and he's like questioning if I know what I'm doing, right? So Jim goes, "Hey, Mary, why don't you go to the van and get me a right angle drill?" So, so I walked down. That's all he said. So I walked all the way down, from like the 5th or 6th floor. I go to the van. I come back up. They were making a bet to see if I came back with a right angle drill. And I did. I brought up the right angle drill. The guy goes, "Oh, I guess she knows what she's doing." Because, like, it's not common, right? You would know what a drill is, but not a right angle.
Right.
Yeah, right. I guess it could be a left angle drill.
They were testing you.
I know. So it could be a left angle too, right?
Yes,
you just got to switch hands.
Yeah, exactly.
I know, but they call it the right angle, right? The right angle.
Switch hands.
Not bad, right? Yeah. I do know some stuff. Been around too long. That's what it is. Oh, awesome, Mike. This is looking great.
Yes, thank you. Appreciate it.
And coming back tomorrow, I think we should be right on target
I think we should be looking pretty good.
For Tuesday's template. Oh yeah. No, this is sharp.
Yeah, we should be looking pretty good.
Yep.
I'm not going to do these today because I don't have a table saw here.
Yeah. No, you don't. Yeah, that doesn't affect anything,
Nope.
and you can just get it in before the countertops go in.
Yep.
No problem.
Exactly.
Or even after, but just a little more difficult.
The other thing is too that I might actually have to. Well, this one seems a little bit better.
Mm-hmm.
So that one I could probably get away with. That other one, I might have to.
Scribe it.
Yeah, scribe.
Yeah.
Freehand.
Another term.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah, term.
Yeah, because if the walls are out, right, you want to make it look like it melts right into the wall.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
Part of it, right?
What a difference today, huh? Remember that other day when I came, it was so gloomy and ugly, and today it's just so pretty.
Nice
oh yeah, hot even.
It's
so this is,
I love it.
Yeah, no, definitely. Spring is here.
Spring has sprung, but you know what? Unfortunately,
it's gonna rain.
Next week doesn't look so great.
I know. Oh, no.
So
I'm done. Yeah. Oh, awesome. This looks great.